students, welcome to class 4 Mathematics, Building with Bricks. Topic, Indian Place Value System. Read loudly the numbers appearing on the screen. Yes, it's 1, 11, 111, 1. You can see as the number becomes bigger, you are finding it difficult to read. Today, we will learn how to read a bigger number having 6 or 7 digits. There are two different ways to read a number. One is using Indian place value system and the other is the International place value system. Today, we are learning the Indian place value system of numeration. Look at the table. You can see that the table is divided into two, periods and places. There are 3 periods in this chart. Ones, thousands and lakhs. There are 7 places coming under these 3 periods. Remember one main thing, you have to start reading from the right side towards the left side. Now tell me which is the first period from right. Ones. How many places are there in ones? We can see there are 3 places in ones period. Ones, tens and hundreds. Now let's go on to the second period from right. Thousands. How many places are coming under thousands? There are 2 places, thousands and 10,000s. Next period is lakhs. How many places are coming under it? Yes, you are absolutely right. 2. They are lakhs and 10 lakhs. The number of digits corresponding to each period are given below. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and lastly 7. Suppose we have to read a number 4, 5, 7, 1, 9, 6, 8. For reading a number, first we have to allot the places of these digits above them. I have told you we have to start from right hand side. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, lakhs and 10 lakhs. You can see that last 3 digits 9, 6, 8 comes under one group which is ones. This is the first period. Next set of numbers comes under thousands. Here we find it is 7, 1. Now can you tell which are the numbers coming under period lakhs? Yes, 4, 5. In order to separate them into periods, we can insert or put commas after each set of numbers. We can read the number easily now as 45 lakhs, 71,968. This is the Indian place value system of numeration. Now read the following numbers. You can read this number as 3,98,264. Next number. This number you can read like this. 8,40,975. The number you can read like this. 7,56,302. The last number, how will you read this? This number can be read as 17,43,946. Assignment for today. First question, write the number names of the following numbers. First number, 437698. Second number, 749503. Third number, 900307. Fourth number, 489348. Second question, write the number for the following number names. First question, 3,09,010. Second question, 4,23,605. And the last question, 19,66,711. Activity. Write any two numbers having 6 digits of your choice and write their number names. Hi children, I believe that you understood how to read a number having 7 digits. It's time to say bye. Thank you. We'll see you soon.